Nobody's talking about this, but did you know that you can make tasty chicken wings cooked fully in a frying pan? So we have here our chicken wings, 750 grams to be more precise. And before you start doing anything else, if you've got any leftover feathers here, try removing them. And now to make our life easier, but also make the cooking of the wings evenly, we're gonna cut these into halves. Now in terms of seasoning, we're gonna add the following. We've got here about half teaspoon of table salt, a quarter of teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, dry oregano, about half teaspoon, smoked paprika, half teaspoon. We've got the juice from a half lime, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And last but not least, I want to add some heat in there, and I'm gonna obtain that with some Tabasco sauce. It's all up to you how much heat you want into your wings dish. But I'm adding about 1-2 teaspoons. Okay, now mix everything together until the seasoning is coating all the wings evenly. And I almost forgot, but I also want to get in some garlic granules. So I'm adding in about 1 teaspoon. We probably could add more garlic at this stage, but I'm also adding fresh garlic later on in the cooking process. Now in an ideal situation, you want to get these wrapped and in the fridge for about 12 hours. The chicken will become so much better. But if you don't have that time, that's still fine, because you're gonna get an amazing flavor if you're gonna go straight into frying. Now set a pan big enough that can take all our wings on medium-high heat. Because to begin with, we want to give our chicken wings a nice golden brown color on the outside. And we're not going to add any more oil at this stage. We already added some over the wings, plus during the cooking process, the skin of the wings will release some of that fat, rendering that fat out slowly. Now it will take about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, but you've got to check. Once you're happy with the golden brown color that you see on the wing, you can flip it over and continue cooking until you get even color on both sides. There is more cooking happening now in the second stage of cooking. We're gonna lower the heat to medium. I've got here 3 cloves of garlic. I'm only gonna crush them. This will get even more garlic aroma into our chicken wings. I've got a few sprigs of fresh thyme straight in. And I'm gonna be adding about 50 grams of butter. And now to produce that oven effect, in a pan, get the lid on. And every 3-4 minutes, use your tongs and turn the wings around, making sure that they cook evenly. The cooking temperature we're looking for in this situation is 75 degrees Celsius or higher. That's the safe to eat temperature for chicken. Now after removing the lid, we're gonna increase the heat slightly, and we wanna cook our chicken for a further 3-4 minutes, because we want to give it a deeper golden brown color. It looks amazing, it smells amazing, and if you want to watch another related video, I've got one for you right here. And if you want to be up to date with cooking tips and recipes, make sure you subscribe to my newsletter, which is in the description of this video. I'll see you in the next one.